This eyeshadow tutorial will make you look and feel like a pro. It's super easy with a big payoff. First, start with any eyeliner that you have. I used a dark gray, something that is really precise because I wanted to make sure that it gets really close to my lash line and makes my lashes look nice and thick while still defining my eye shape. Line the top and bottom lid as close to your lash line as possible and then connect the two on the outer corner. Now take a flat eyeshadow brush or anything that's easily smudged or even your finger and blend them out. It should look something like this. Make sure that it's quite blended, but not too blended to where you can't see the line anymore. Then I'm taking a very small, precise brush, something that is going to mimic the line of your eyeliner. And I'm dipping it in a dark gray shadow, and I'm placing it right over top of that eyeliner, just to really reinforce that line, make it nice and smoky. Take that same gray shadow and place it on the outer corner of the eye. Try to make sure that it creates a small V on the outer corner, and then go a little bit into your crease. Then I'm blending that out, and then I am taking a nice white or cream, something that is a little bit brighter than your skin tone, and placing it right over the iris. That's going to really brighten up this look and make it look more of an old Hollywood style, much less grungy, very polished and put together. Add your favorite mascara. I used something that was very precise, and then I went ahead and did my favorite part of my beauty ritual, and that's brightening my face after I'm done with my eyes. Just adding a little bit more of a brightening concealer just in the center of the face and below the eye, right on top of the cheekbone. That's going to give you the brightest look. It gives you the most radiant complexion. Absolutely brightens the eyes and looks incredible. Try out these tips. I know you're going to love this look, and enjoy.